In this video, I want to show you how to connect your iPad Air M4 to your TV using a cable. This way, this connection is a lot more stable. So let's get started. First step, take your iPad, and to do this, you will need one of these or something similar that I will talk about. So this is a HDMI cable to USB Type-C cable. Now, there's many of these on the market, and I'll put links in the description if you want to get one from Amazon. The important thing here is you need to get a cable that is compatible with 4K 60 frames per second. If you get one that is 30 FPS, 30 frames per second, the image will look choppy, and definitely you're going to see it and you will not like it. Believe me, I had one in the past. So this is the kind of cable you need. Or if you don't want a brand new cable, what you can get is an adapter that is HDMI over here. So if you already own an HDMI cable, you can connect one end in the back of your TV and the other end in this adapter. And the other end is USB Type-C that connects in your iPad. Again, these needs to be at least 4K 60 frames per second. For this video, I'll be using the other cable since I prefer not dealing with adapters. So I have connected one end, the USB Type-C connector in the iPad, and the other end I'll connect it in the back of my TV here in one of the HDMI ports. Let me connect it in this one. Just make sure that you take note on the HDMI number. So here is number 1. Next step is, turn off the TV and turn on the iPad. And as you see, I didn't have to accept anything and it works. The best thing about it is that there is very minimal lag by using this method. If you're using Wi-Fi to connect your iPad to your TV, which is possible, and I will make a separate video about it, there will be lag if you have a slower internet connection. But over here, I can open anything, even if I'm using the iPad in landscape mode. As you see, right now it's in landscape mode. Now it's in vertical mode. And yeah, everything works perfectly. Once you're done, you simply have to unplug the cable, and this is about it. Again, no option to fiddle with, nothing else to do. And every time you want to use it again, simply connect it, and in 2 seconds, you'll be able to see what's on the TV. If you don't see the image of your iPad on your TV, make sure that you're on the right HDMI connection. So on this LG TV, I need to press this button to select the inputs. And from here, I'll have to select HDMI 1 so that the TV is showing whatever is connected in that port. Thanks for watching. If you found my video helpful, leave a like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you in the next video.